safe trip. The students are trying to make it over to their school in, what was the village? Patakai. So this is the trip they have to take. It's about an hour's work over there. And they're going to take it in this weather. So Solutions Marovo has given them a new boat in order so they can get across safer, if that's